That wasn't good enough. What you just did out there wasn't good enough. I'm not saying that you got it wrong. You did the drill, you did properly. But it wasn't good enough. And that's where we're now at in our footballing development. To your standards and to my standards, that wasn't good enough. It wasn't energetic enough. You weren't asking for the ball, you weren't demanding it. Players on the outside were just stood there with their hands on their hips doing that. Now that might be all right if you don't want to improve at football and you just want to come for a laugh. But by my standards, and I know by your standards, because I know where you will want to go with your football, that wasn't good enough. So now, play to the standard that we set ourselves. And that standard is right the way sky high, isn't it? So everyone do that with me. That's where our standard is. That's where we want to be.